Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sala. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you share this video. Guys, MUSA MSELEKU, who is a polygamous husband to 4 wives, has shocked rather many as he shared that he is a spiritual healer, you guys. Yes, MUSA MSELEKU says that he is a spiritual leader, you guys. Now this article which I found online about him revealing his spiritual calling reads as follows. He is a husband to 4 wives, a father to 10 children, a reality TV star, and a businessman. But there's another title he used that he doesn't like to broadcast too loudly. He is also a spiritual leader. Yet, as part of himself, he can't turn off. MUSA MSELEKU says he learned the hard way to ignore it. Once you have the spiritual gift, it refuses to go away. Fans of MUSA MSELEKU's Mzansi Magic show called Utanel witnessed his power firsthand recently when he visited a young girl who had suddenly become paralyzed and could no longer go to school. He prayed for her and pleaded with the ancestors to release the child from her pain. The healing episode became a hot point, with people wondering if MUSA MSELEKU was a prophet or Inyanga, and they were debating whether he would start his own church, but that's not the case. He stresses, people call me a pastor because I pray for people, but I'm not going to have a church. I'm a spiritual healer. Drum Magazine is sharing the famous polygamist at the proudly South African by local brand summit at the Sandton Convention Center, where he and his wife Busisi 41 exhibiting clothing from their company. Now his purpose is strong, he says, and he can literally feel other people suffering. Whenever the spirit connects me to someone, I feel their pain or whatever is troubling them in their body. If a person has a headache, I will have one too. This helps me to know how to help them. I used to call myself a walking X-ray, as my body is a natural scanner. My life was not in good shape, he says. Things were not going well in my life, including my marriages. He went to see a prophet to help him unravel his problems, and what he found out shocked him. The prophet told me my life was in a mess because I was refusing to acknowledge my inheritance and do what I'm supposed to do, he says. I was told I inherited a gift to heal people from my great-grandfather, Mazinyogoli Mseleku. He died before I was born and no one had told me about him. MUSA was not happy with the news. I had different ambitions, he admits. I thought, how on earth am I going to have many wives when I'm praying for people? MUSA first started taking his calling seriously when he dreamt about his late mom Joyce months after seeing the prophet. I dreamt of my mother surrounded by priests, he recalls. They were wearing cloaks and someone in the group asked if I didn't want my mother to be better. When I responded that I did, they told me to pray for her. MUSA embraced his calling but experienced a hiccup on his spiritual journey 4 years later. People had started to treat me like a demigod, and I had problem with that. Some of the problems required people to pray for themselves, but even those people wanted to rely on me. I hated that people were starting to believe in me and not God. But after he abandoned his calling, his life troubles came rushing back. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people, guys. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one, and may God bless you all. Bye.